Hi students, welcome to Zosha Max. So in this video I am going to say I am taking the mensuration lesson. Lesson you have so many formulae. Okay, so how to memorize the formulae in easiest way. So this video gives an idea to memorize all the formulas. Okay, so I have taken only three figures. So that is solid cylinder, hollow cylinder and the cone. Okay, so solid cylinder is just imagine that a road roller. Okay, hollow cylinder you take a tubes or pencil, it has two cylinders, inner one more cylinder is there. Okay, so and cone, so this is a ice cream. Okay, so the solid cylinder has two parameters, one is radius and the height. So we have circles upper and bottom, so it has radius and height. Hollow cylinder has two cylinders. Okay, so it has two radius, inner radius and outer radius. So inner one it has smaller radius and the outer one has lengthiest, so it has capital R. Okay, and this is height. Okay, and cone we have three parameters, one is height and the radius, the unique one slant height. So that is, it is not perpendicular, this one is a perpendicular height. So this is slant height, so it is denoted as L. So we have three parameters, H, R and L. So we are going to study CSA, GSA and volume, curved surface area, total surface area and volume. So when you are using the curved surface area, when you have a paint, okay, so in the outer area, so that is curved surface area. Total surface area includes all the areas. Okay, and volume, how much it contains. Okay, so what is the formula for, you know formula, you know already, you have in your book, but how to memory, what are the relations between. Okay, see, curved surface area for the cylinder, so that is 2 pi or h. Okay, so square meters, meter square or water. See kids, 2, I am going to say just a story, 2 persons, pi, so the pi is, take it as a handbag. Okay, so this is a bag, pi is a bag, and R for river and H for height. Okay, so now I am going to say a story. See, listen carefully. 2 persons taking a bag, okay, from the school, they are going out, they are crossing a river and going to the highest place. Okay, see, what is our story? 2 persons taking a bag, so that is pi, taking a bag, so pi, and crossing the river and going to the reaching the highest place. Okay kids, so this is a story, first story. Okay, so total surface area, see what is that formula, what is the story? So same 2 persons taking a bag and crossing the river. Okay, and these 2 persons are different persons, they are going till more than that. Okay, so more than this 2 persons, so H plus R, they are going beyond first, these are the first 2 persons, these are second 2 persons taking a bag and crossing the river, highest place and going another river. Okay, these are 2 different places. And volume, so volume is pi, only one person, he is crossing, he is a Superman, only Superman is here, he is crossing 2 rivers and reach the highest place. Okay, now see this students, how much it is easy. See, you just memory these 3 formula only. Okay, you can write all those one for the hollow cylinder. Now the CSA for the hollow cylinder, so that is 2 pi, so that is bag. Whenever you have the R, you just write R plus R into H, that's all. So this is a CSA, curved surface area for the hollow cylinder, and total surface area, see, 2 pi R, sorry, so R can be write 2 plus R, and this is H plus R, so H, for H you just write as H, for small r you write as R minus R. Okay, so in some books or guides they are using a different way, but this way is definitely useful for you. Okay, and this one, see, this one is a very simple, pi, and this is r square, so you just write capital R square minus small r square, then h. Okay, so just we write r plus r, this is r plus r. Okay, this is r square minus r square. Okay, can you relate? Okay, so now cone, see, cone we have 2, 3. Okay, so what are the parameters are there? H, R and L. Okay, long, so this is a long river ma, so cone has a long river. Okay, the person is cone person, so okay, cone person is going, so this is the person is going a loss, only one person taking a bag and crossing the river and going to the longest place, Nile river. Okay, the longest one going to the cone, the cone is going. Okay, and TSA, see, it's a simple one. See, TSA is, see, 2 pi r h plus r. See, write pi r. See, pi r, just L plus r. Okay, kids, cone has only one person, pi r, L, longest one. So cone only has the L. Okay, and TSA, so TSA is the total surface area. Just write the solid cylinder and cut your 2, and pi r h plus r, so you write r plus r. And see, the solid cylinders and this cone both are relation. Okay, who are relation? Cylinder and the cone. See, both are relations. How? The volumes are relations. Okay, so when you divide the volume by 3, we will get this cone. So that is volume. See, pi r square h, it is 1/3. Okay, so 1 by 3. So this is a volume of the compound. Okay, shall I say again? So this is first solid cylinder. See, kids, write, whenever you have your examination, just write your formula. Okay, CSA, TSA and volume. This is hollow one, hollow cylinder and cone. Okay, see, what is the formula? See, this is 2 persons taking a bag, crossing a river and going to the highest place. So here also 2 persons taking a bag and crossing the river, going to the very height place and seeing another river. Okay, they are seeing another river. Okay, volume, it has only one person, Superman is coming, so it is only 1 pi. The Superman going 2 rivers, jumping the 2 rivers and going to the highest place. Okay, see, this is a hollow one. See, 2 pi. See, when you have the r, you just write r plus r into h. Okay, kids, see, what is this? CA, pi r. For h, you write L. And see, this is 2 pi, r is coming. So when r we has write r plus r. Write h as it is. For small r, you just, it is a small one, r minus r. This is 1/3, this is hollow one. So r square, you just write pi, r square, can write r square minus r square and h. So keep the h, pi and h as it is. You just change the reverse only. And this is cone. Cone has the total surface area. So this total surface area, cut the 2 pi or just L plus r. That's all. See, these are relations. Okay, so volumes are, so just 1/3. So you may have a question, what is the volume if you give the cylinder and what is that cone volume? So it is, you can divide just to 3 and you will get the volume of the cylinder. So that is pi r square h and by 3. So just write 1 by 3. So that's all. So these are the stories to memory all the formulas. Okay, I hope you understand and like this video. After seeing the video, you just write your formula. Keep the story in your mind. So what is that story? 2 persons taking a bag and crossing the river and reaching the highest place. So that is the story. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you, students.